Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is a long gap, so I'm back again here. So, in this video, we are going to see about a cell. Okay, it is nothing but a fundamental unit of life. So, that is a thing I'm going to teach you. This will be useful for CBSE guys, then for students who are preparing for NEET exams and also those who are preparing for competitive exams. This will be much useful for you people. So today I am going to say a basic cell organelles. Okay, so here the basic cell organelles is these four. Okay, what are these four? It is nothing but it is a cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell wall, as well as it is nucleus. So in this I am going to explain about these four cell organelles. Initially I need to say what does mean by cell. Cell is nothing but it is a fundamental unit of life. Okay, without cell none can survive in the world, that is living organism alone, either plants or trees or animals or humans. These every living organism must need cell for our survival. Okay, so here cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke. He discovered this in the year 1665 in the cork of the tree. It is nothing but in the bark of the tree. He is the person first discovered the cell but he discovered a dead cell. Okay, later a person called Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who is a discoverer of bacteria, has discovered the living cell. Okay, these are the basic introductions of the cell, and the cell was first seen to be a honeycomb like structure. Okay, when the guy Robert Hooke examined that cork of the tree under microscope, he just watched a honeycomb like structure. Okay, then in Latin language it was considered as a little room. It is just resembles a little room like structure. Okay, that is a basic introduction of this thing. So let's we talk about cell, what is cell membrane, and cytoplasm, cell wall, as well as nucleus in very short form, and I will give you a detailed explanation of these in your next video. So cell membrane is nothing but it is a basic protective layer of a cell. Okay, this cell membrane is present both in animal cell as well as a plant cell. So this cell membrane will always act as a semi-permeable membrane. So semi-permeable membrane is nothing but it will gives out the waste, as well as when it want any nutrients or proteins, it will accept that thing. So it resembles like a spongy structure. So if any nutrition is intend to come inside, it will allow that. If any waste materials intend to go out, it will neglect that. So this cell membrane can also said to be a semi-permeable membrane or an selectively permeable membrane. So this is a basic definition of cell membrane. And our second thing is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is nothing but it is a liquid structure. It is a liquid thing which is present inside the cell, where all other cell organelles will be float in that area. Okay, you can keep remember that egg in your mind. If you see in egg, that shell of the egg will be acting as a cell membrane. Okay, we will consider that outer portion, that is that shell, is considered to be a cell membrane, and inside we have a cytoplasm, so that we can consider white yolk as an cytoplasm. Okay, this cytoplasm, it is just a liquid thing which is present inside the cell. Okay, then we are going to our third major cell or organelle is cell wall. You know this point, the cell wall is present only in the plant cell. It can't be present in an animal cell. It is present only in a plant cell. And you know, the cell wall is made up of either cellulose, otherwise, or chitin. Okay, cellulose is a major component where the cell wall is made. So this cell wall is particularly protect that plant cell, and it present only in the plant cell. So cell membrane in plant cell is also present, but you know, the cell membrane in animal will act as a cell wall, but cell wall is entirely present only in plant cell. Please remember that thing. Then our last thing is nucleus. So nucleus is present inside the cell. You can consider the yellow yolk portion present inside the egg, right? So you can connect that thing with this. So this nucleus is present inside the cell, and this nucleus is considered to be the head of the cell, and it will function the cell. Without the nucleus, the cell would be nothing. So this nucleus is performing all the activities of our cell, and in the body it also plays a major role. So this is a basic thing about the cell.